Everyone thinks the best-selling automotive paint gun is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, AeroPro Tools R500. The AeroPro Tools R500 caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive price of $74.99. It boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, showing it's a popular choice. If you want a paint gun that minimizes overspray while delivering smooth finishes, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The R500 is a LVLP, low volume, low pressure spray gun, which means it uses less air, just 3.0-3.9 CFM, resulting in a finer atomization of paint. This is key because it helps you achieve a smooth, professional finish while saving paint. With a paint utilization rate of up to 65%, you can feel confident that you're making the most out of your materials. The included 1.3mm, 1.5mm, and 1.7mm nozzles cater to a variety of needs, whether you're applying varnish or top coats. This versatility is a big plus for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. However, some users mentioned that the R500 could be challenging to clean. Here's the thing though, while it requires a bit more maintenance, the results it provides definitely justify the extra effort. If you're someone who values quality finishes, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an automotive enthusiast looking for a reliable spray gun without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra simple with minimal cleanup, but honestly for the price, it's a great value. Now, if the cleaning hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its ease of use. Product number 2, EnoCraft D1 Premium Kit. Next up is the EnoCraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun Kit, priced at $119.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,100 reviews, this one stands out for its user-friendly design. If you want a paint gun that empowers you to spray like a pro right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. The D1 kit is designed specifically for ease of use. It comes with a quick startup guide and everything you need to get started, including an oil-water separator and a pressure regulator. This means you won't waste time setting it up, letting you jump right into your project. The superior atomization ensures an even finish while minimizing waste, which is crucial when you want a flawless look. Plus, the durable aluminum body with Teflon coating makes it both easy to clean and built to last, which is something you want a tool you plan to use regularly. On the downside, some users found the included instructions to be lacking. I get it, a little more guidance would help, but once you're through the initial learning curve, this gun shines in performance, making it worthwhile for DIYers and professionals alike. This is perfect for you if you're new to painting or want a complete kit that's easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer a more hands-on approach with your tools, but for the quality and convenience, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget. Product number 3, Hotorda HVLP Spray Gun. The Hotorda HVLP Spray Gun is next, and at just $23.39, it's one of the most affordable options on the list. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 751 reviews, it's a great entry-level choice. If you're looking for a budget-friendly spray gun, this might be just what you need. This HVLP spray gun features a 600 cubic centimeters cup and comes with 3 different nozzles, 1.4mm, 1.7mm, and 2.0mm, giving you flexibility for various projects like furniture painting or car primers. The gravity-feed design helps reduce material waste, which is a huge plus when you're trying to save money on paint. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to operate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. What's nice is that it also allows you to adjust the spray pattern to fit your specific needs. However, some users reported that it could be a bit tricky to get the spray pattern just right. Look, while it may take some trial and error, many found that with a little practice, they could achieve great results. For someone just starting out, it's a minor inconvenience that's outweighed by the cost savings. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or a beginner looking to experiment without spending too much. Skip this one if you need a highly professional finish right away, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more professional, the next product really steps it up. Product number 4. Bang 4 Buck HVLP Spray Gun. Now, let's talk about the Bang 4 Buck HVLP Gravity Feed Spray Gun, priced at $33.99. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,700 reviews, it's quickly becoming a favorite. If you need a reliable spray gun for various applications, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this spray gun is its high performance with 3 different fluid tips: 1.4 millimeters, 1.7 millimeters, and 2.5 millimeters, which means it can tackle everything from base coats to clear coats with ease. The lightweight and ergonomic design help reduce fatigue during longer painting sessions, which is crucial if you're working on bigger projects. It also includes an air regulator, allowing you to fine-tune your spray settings to achieve the best finish possible. That versatility makes it a great choice for both automotive refinishing and DIY jobs. However, some users mentioned that the pre-installed nozzle can be a bit hard to remove for cleaning. Now, this isn't a deal breaker as long as you're careful. Just ensure you have the right tools to assist with maintenance. Remember, a little extra effort can lead to spectacular results. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a spray gun that can handle a variety of tasks without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something very easy to clean right away, but for the quality, it's a fantastic option. If you're seeking something that offers a professional touch, let's check out the final product. Product number 5. Endozer Professional HVLP Spray Gun. Finally, we have the Endozer Professional HVLP Spray Gun, priced at $32.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 692 reviews, this one is quite popular among DIYers. If you want a spray gun that delivers exceptional quality without a hefty price tag, this is for you. The Endozer features a 20-ounce gravity feed cup and comes with 3 stainless steel nozzles, 1.4, 1.7, and 2.0 millimeters, making it versatile for various projects. Its fluid control and pattern controls allow you to adjust the spray to fit your needs, which is crucial for achieving the perfect finish. The brass hood design ensures uniform atomization, which is essential for an even coat of paint. Plus, it includes a paint filter to catch any debris, ensuring a flawless spray every time. However, some users found it less effective with latex paints. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working with automotive finishes or similar materials, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep in mind what you plan to use it for. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, budget-friendly gun for automotive and other projects. Skip this one if you only work with latex paints, but honestly, for its performance, it offers great value. Let's wrap up with a quick comparison of these 5 fantastic options. So to summarize, we have the AeroPro R500 for smooth finishes, the EnoCraft D1 for ease of use, the Hotorda HVLP for budget-friendly projects, the Bang 4 Buck for versatility, and the Endozer for great value. Each of these paint guns has something unique to offer, so think about what features are most important to you. Happy painting!